Alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to throw a Frisbee far and accurate. So the key to throwing a Frisbee, the first part of throwing a Frisbee is the grip. So for the grip, you want to have a grip like this. So you want to have 4 fingers over the top like this, and then your thumb over here. That's how I like it. Some people like it differently, but that's how I like to hold it. Some people hold it like this for more accuracy. That sometimes helps, but I like to hold it like that. So once you have the grip down, you don't want to hold it super loose, but you also don't want to hold it really tight either. So you want to hold it, you know, a medium strength. And then what you're going to do is, so the first step is getting the power. So if you're going to throw a Frisbee, if you're planning on throwing a Frisbee really far, you're going to want to have some run up, okay? So for a run up, you want to do basically a crow hop. So what you're going to do is step, cross over, and fire. So I'll do that again. So you want to step with your right, if you're right-handed. By the way, this is for right-handers. So you want to step with your right leg, cross, boom, and cross again. All right, that's the way I like to do it, and that's how you're going to get the very most power. If you really want to get a lot of power, you can run up first and then start your crow hop. But yeah, so that's for the power. And then for the accuracy, what you want to do is you want to point your body at the target you're aiming at. So if you're throwing it really close, you want to face the target like this, and you want to just throw it like that. Okay, that's for really short distances. You want to move your whole body towards it, just like that. You want to just move in a straight line. Or you can face like this sideways and just throw it like that, but I like to use my whole body and just throw it like that. It's really good for putting as well in Frisbee golf. Okay, so the next step to throwing a Frisbee far and accurate is the arm swing. So what you're going to do for the arm swing is, I like to be pretty much completely extended, if not a little bit bent, just like this, just a little bent if you have to, but I like to be almost completely straight. That's how you're going to get the most power. So a lot of people go like this, which doesn't give you as much power, especially with a bigger Frisbee. You're not going to get as much power going like that, okay? So what you want to do is keep your arms pretty much straight and pretty much completely extended, and you want to just go for the crow hop, step, and use your hips. You want to really use your hips to drive that Frisbee. So your back leg is pretty much all the weight's on your back leg, and then it shifts all the way to your front leg. And you want to basically squish the bug, like it says in baseball, like they say in baseball. You want to use your hips just like this. That's how you're going to get the maximum power. And also use your torso as well. So you want to use your whole body, torso, and everything. So I'll show you how I throw a Frisbee far and accurate. So you get your run up. So run up a little bit, step, crow hop, and fire. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That is how to throw a Frisbee far and accurate, or fast and accurate. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And also, I just want to share a quick thing with you. There was a time in my life where I felt really depressed and empty, and Jesus filled that void in my heart. And so I just want to share my favorite Bible verse with you. It's John 10:10. For the thief comes only to steal, kill, and to destroy, which the thief is the devil. But I have come that they may have life and have it abundantly. That's Jesus talking. So Jesus wants you to have an abundant life, but the devil only wants to feed you lies and tell you lies. But the key is believing truth. So get in the Word, study the Word, and you're going to have an abundant life. And you're just going to have so much joy and so much life in you that you can spread that to others and spread the love of Jesus to others. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to throw a Frisbee far and accurate. Hope you guys enjoyed, and God bless.